Jason came back from a ride today, and he said, "Hey, man, I got to tell you something I thought was really weird." And I said, "What's that?" And he goes, "Well, I had sent him a handful of stickers because he was like, 'Hey, I go on all these group rides. I want to hand out stickers.' I said, 'By all means.' So I sent him a big stack of stickers to hand out. Doesn't cost me anything." So he comes back and he says, "I got to tell you, I got a lot of these guys coming up to me and going, 'So did the Watercraft Journal tune your ski?'" And Jason's been building skis since the 90s. All right. He's no dummy. he's been sending me pictures of his stuff for a while now. And I'm like, "Dude, wait, who's saying this?" And he's like, "A bunch of people came up to me and said it." So I don't know how this got muddied. I don't tune anyone's skis. I don't work on anyone's boats. I don't take customers. All right. There's no handful of jet skis in my garage that I do work for other people. All right. Greg Gaddis does that. Green Hulk does that. Shops like Ruthless Racing and Dean's Team and Riva and JP and all these guys, they take customer skis. I don't. I'm really not in the high performance tuning game. I don't race anymore. I don't have any interest in it. I do some minor mods. I recommend a few minor mods that primarily just kind of unlock the engine. But if any of you guys have the notion that we're tuning people's skis or taking customers, we're not. I make suggestions. I'll suggest stuff. I'll make recommendations all day long. I get all that information. I have all that information. But the vast majority of people are brand new. The vast majority of people that I talk to are just like, "Hey, what kind of bumpers do you recommend so I don't scratch up my ski when I go to the fuel dock?" Or, "Hey, have you ever tried out the heated hand grips on a Sea-Doo?" "Yeah, I have." "Okay. Yeah, they work. They're good." "Oh, okay." "What do you recommend for, wax or that kind of stuff?" That's what I'm answering. So for people who think I'm tuning skis, I'm not. I make recommendations. I'll give you my 2 cents, but that's about it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.